Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new world in the mini world CREATA game. To create a new world, you want to tap on Start, then Mine, and in here, New World. This will allow you to use any of these three game modes: Survival, Creation or Develop. Let's go with Survival. Then choose the type, Classic, Hardcore or Advanced to pick some more options. Let's go with Classic. Choose the difficulty, Terrain. You can choose, I think, in Advanced. As you can see, you can Random, Flat or Custom, which will allow you to choose from a lot of options. Let's go with Classic though. You can turn on the tutorial if you'd like to get one. Give it a name. And then enter. Then it's going to show you a cutscene. You can watch through it. We're going to skip it though. And now your tutorial is starting. As you can see, it's going to give you instructions on how to play the game. You can read through it if you'd like. First it's going to show your health and stamina, then your items. You tap on items to choose them, and then press and hold the use button to use them. Then it's going to ask you to perform some movement. As you can see, just follow the instructions it tells you to follow. And that's it. Then you can of course exit by tapping on this button here to quit the game and quit. That's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.